Well, good afternoon, everyone. This here is Mike Bass, back again with another quick forecast update. We're going to be looking at the weather map here, of the lower 48. We have dense fog advisories over Georgia. We have a tornado watch, which is in effect for portions of Arkansas, Louisiana, and eastern Texas, with ongoing severe thunderstorms and a tornado, a two warning. We have red flag warnings, high wind warnings, and wind advisories for New Mexico and Texas. A winter storm warning in effect for northeast Colorado, Nebraska, Iowa, all the way up into Wisconsin. We have a winter storm watch that is in effect for northern Michigan and eastern Wisconsin, and the outline area pink. The purple that's outlined in the pink is winter weather advisories. That's in effect. Winter weather advisories also in effect for North Dakota and also northwestern Minnesota. Also, we have winter weather advisories and winter storm warning for California and Nevada, Oregon, and the Seattle area. And we also have freeze warnings in effect for southern Arizona. Radar composite. Here's a system coming in from the northwest United States, over around Oregon all the way down toward northern California. Here's that system producing all that snowfall over Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri. Cold front extending all the way down into eastern Texas, producing severe thunderstorm warning and tornado warnings. I do see more severe weather in this vicinity today as the day wears on. Alright, as we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center, here is day one outlook. We're going to take a look at it real quick, and we're going to dive into the details. We got a slight risk of severe thunderstorms extending all the way into southwest Kentucky through western Tennessee, eastern Arkansas, all the way down into Louisiana and East Texas. Marginal risk is in the outline area in the green there. And general thunderstorms are generally in the lighter green. Another marginal risk over Kansas. Alright. The tornado probability, 5% in the brown, 2% in the green. Wind, we have a 15% in the yellow and 5% in the brown. And hail is 5% in the area in brown. Alright, as we take a look at day two outlook, we got a slight risk, marginal slight risk over Ohio, and general thunderstorm activity from Pennsylvania all the way down to the Gulf Coast to Florida. In this area here, any storm could still produce damaging winds and hail, and maybe an isolated tornado in this region here, still in the general thunderstorm activity. Alright, the tornado risk is a 2% in Ohio, damaging winds 15% in the yellow and 5% in the brown, and hail is 5% in the brown. Alright, now let's take a look at day three. Over Texas, southeast Texas, as a system developing down in the Gulf of Mexico that may try to lift northeast later on and produce some heavy rainfall over the southeastern portion of the United States. Probability too low for day 4, probability too low for day 5. Day 6, probability too low. Day 7, probability too low. And day 8, probability too low. Okay, now let's take a look at the triple HRRR model. We're looking at this here activity down in Texas. You can see a band of thunderstorms and showers extending here. There's the snow showers up over in this vicinity here with mixed precipitation on the borderline of Kansas and Nebraska. Alright, as we go forward in time, you see the line continue to progress to the east. It will continue moving off to the Blue Hill region of Louisiana and heading into Alabama, Mississippi and eastern Tennessee, western Tennessee, and it will continue to progress eastward as we head forward in time. This is that 2 p.m. 2 a.m. on January the 19th, and there's that line. It continue to progress to the east. It will be located from Kentucky through western Tennessee, starting to move into Alabama, all the way back down into the Gulf of Mexico. As we continue to head forward, by 5 a.m. Thursday morning, the line will be all the way, will be weakening some, but it still may produce a punch with some gusty winds and maybe an isolated tornado or two. That's all I got for you right now, but I'll have another update later on this evening. Have a great day.